Yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from Hadi Tech, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to claim 15 months for free in Google Gemini Pro, and that comes with their latest model, which is a VO3. If you don't know VO3, it's a media generation LLM model that actually generates high quality videos, and it's actually taken the world by storm. If you have seen those videos on TikTok of people creating super realistic videos and mock-ups of people and such, then this is the model they are using. This method actually works for the people inside of the US, obviously, and people outside of the US, which are the most unfortunate, but you can get around that. But what you need to do is just follow these steps carefully. With that out of the way, please kindly drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and we do post a lot of videos, helpful videos I should say, on ways to make money online, so make sure to tune in. Also, we have a website where we can show you how to start your online business and also share tools and tips on various topics such as SEO and backlinks and more of those technical stuff. So if you are interested, the link will be in the description down below. So without further ado, let's just start with our video. So let me address the elephant in the room, which is how to create an account and claim it and claim this offer for the people that are outside of the US. The first thing that you need to do is just go ahead and type in your Urban VPN on your browser. The logo is like this. Click on the first link and it should take you to their website. All right, if you are doing it from a PC, I do recommend you to go to your phone and do these steps. So go to your respective store, download the app, and connect to the US. If you are not from the US, connect to the US. If you are from the US, then you are good to go. So like I said, once you download the app, connect to the US, then proceed to create a new Gmail account while you are connected to the US. And probably a lot of you are questioning why you should do that. If you have an account that is created outside of the US, you cannot claim this offer. And also, you cannot do this method on the PC. It requires a phone, a US phone number, and in order to actually get past that, you need to do this step from the phone. You need to actually create your Gmail account from the phone. So once you do that, go ahead and follow me to the next step. Now, once you create your account, go ahead and add it to your list of accounts on your Gmail accounts, right? And I assume that you are following along using your phone. If you are using your PC, you can go ahead and download the same extension or the same VPN using the website. Now go ahead and click the link in the description down below. It will take you to the sign up page for Gemini Pro, and like I said before, you will be getting 15 months for free. On top of that, you will be getting 2 terabytes of Google Drive storage, and most importantly, you will get access to VO3. Okay, and that's what matters. Now, in order to proceed with the sign up, we need a student email, and to get that, you need to actually visit a website called TempuMail. I'm also link it down below, and in here you can create essentially a student email or like a .edu email. So let's just go ahead and remove this one, and let's just, for example, create a new one in here. You gotta do the CAPTCHA in here. Click verify, then click create. In order to create your temporary email, then click copy, head back to Gemini Pro, click verify student status, then put in the new email that you just got, then click verify. Once that's done, scroll all the way down, copy your code and head back and paste your code in here, click submit, and just like that, it will say you are eligible for Google AI Pro student discount. Click continue. And yeah, click start trial, or just wait for a second. It will just give you the pop-up automatically. Yes, as you can see, now we can add our card, and you can do so by just clicking on add card and start linking your Visa or MasterCard. And if you have followed everything that I've told you, now you can use Gemini Pro for almost a year, or a year and some change, I should say. And you can also get access, like I said, to VO3 and every latest model that Google drops. So congrats. Alright, we have reached the end of our video. If you found this video helpful, please kindly drop a like, comment down below, and share this video with a friend of yours. If you want to see more stuff that is helpful and informative on the channel, then kindly subscribe. That will help us immensely. Also, make sure to check our website. Link will be in the description down below. Take care of yourselves, guys, and see you in the next one, and peace.